Welcome to When Nature Calls. We're here in beautiful Cedar City, Utah, and I got something really special to show you. On this rock here, you see this green growth? This is called lychee. And if you're ever lost out in the woods, you can survive for weeks, if not months, just on the lychee growing on these rocks. Let me show you what it's like. Welcome to When Nature Calls. I'm Brad, and we've got something really neat to show you right now. Here, Park Ranger Kai is going to tell you about something that he's found here on the trail out in Red Hollow outside of Cedar City. What do you got?
There's some leech right here. It can grow all over rocks. It's really cool because it has lots of colors in it. And it's like everywhere on mountains.
Okay, what colors does it come in?
Orange, green, yellow. Some,
Could you eat it if you were in a tight spot?
no.
No.